Hi, hello, welcome to Math School channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 2.58 question. Given that factorize each of the following. Okay, each of the following expression we can factorize. Okay, 4 bits are there. See how we can factorize one by one. This is the given expression. This expression we can make it as 8a cube is there, no? So 8 we can write 2 cube, right? So 2a whole cube we can take. So 2a whole cube plus b cube plus this 12 we can write as 3. 3 4 is a 12, no? So 2a whole square. 2 square means 4. 4 3 is a 12. You will get, no? So 2a whole square into b plus this 6 we can write as 3 into 2. So 3 into 2a into b square. So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? In this formula we have. So here we should take as a is equals to 2a, b is equals to b only. Okay, so that formula is a plus b whole cube. So a means here 2a plus b whole cube. Okay, in this way we can solve that. Next, this also same manner. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Very simple. See, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is a minus b whole cube formula, where a is equals to 2a, b is equal to b only. Okay, very simple. Next, third one. See once. Third one, 1 cube minus this 64a. 64 we can write as 4 cube. So a cube already is there. So 4a whole cube we can take. Okay, minus 3 1 square into 4a. 3 4s are 12, no? So this one, if you take 1 square also, it will becomes 1. 1 into 3 means 3 only will come. 3 4s are 12 will come. So like this we can form. Plus 3 4s are 8. But here 4 square is there, no? 4 square in the sense 16. 16 3s are 48. A square as it is. Like this we can take. And this is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, where a is equal to 1, b is equals to 4a. Now we can write as a minus b whole cube formula. So a is 1, b is 4a, right? Next, see, this is the given expression. This we should write as 2p whole cube minus 3 into 2p whole square. 2 square in the sense 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 we got it. See, here 5 is there, no denominator. So into 1 by 5 we can write. Plus here 6 we can write as 3 2s are 6. By here 25. 1 by 5 whole square we can write. Minus 1 by 5 whole cube. 125 5 cube, no. So we can write. So see here once, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, where a is equals to 2p, b is equals to 1 by 5. Okay, that formula is a minus b whole cube. A means 2p minus b means 1 by 5. Okay, this is the fourth one. Next, ninth question. See here. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. See here, using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication, can you call these as identities? We should only take non-zero positive integers, any one, that is we can verify. How it will be? See here, these given formulas we need to verify. LHS is x cube plus y cube. RHS is x plus y into this. Okay, first how to multiply this whole bracket with x plus again this whole bracket with y. Okay, now x into x square x cube minus x into x square y plus x into y square plus y into x square minus x into y square plus y cube. Okay, see, this is formula. Is it no formula? And we can cancel here. If any terms cancellation is possible, we can do. See, x square y minus x square y plus term minus term will get cancelled. Here also plus term minus term will get cancelled. Remaining is x cube plus y cube. This is LHS. We got it, no? So LHS is equal to RHS. Verified. Okay, now non-zero positive integer you can check and verify. Here question is mentioned, no? So non-zero positive integer, non-zero within the name only there. Non-zero means any number. Okay, so x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 I took. Here LHS you can take and you can substitute xy values, you will get value 35. And also RHS also you can take and you can substitute the values 35. So for the non-zero positive integers also we verified LHS is equals to RHS 35 we got it, no? Next, second bit, very simple, same formula. Here minus is there, here plus is there, that you can remember, same as this. Okay, given formula it is. Now you can take RHS, this is the RHS. RHS we can take and multiply x with whole bracket minus y with whole bracket. Okay, now inside you can multiply, then you can do the cancellation terms and the remaining terms you have to write, that is we got it LHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. We verified it through normal. Okay, now you can take the values and verify. Okay, same, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Why we should take only 3 and why we should not take any other number? Yes, you can, no problem. You can take and you can verify. Okay, LHS 19, RHS, if you substitute in the formula RHS, then you get 19 only. So LHS and RHS both are equal. We verified through non-zero positive integers also. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.